Hey everybody, Pete Blank here for this week's edition of Pete's Points. I'm on Main Street, USA, here in the Magic Kingdom at Walt Disney World as my smoking hot wife Sherry shows you the Christmas and holiday decorations that are still up here at the Magic Kingdom. We are visiting here in the second week of January, and yet the Christmas decorations, the wreaths, the lights are still up. And the reason is they create an emotional connection. Disney knows that the holidays create an emotional connection with people, so they put them up. But here's my question to you today as a leader. Is there an emotional connection that happens after the event? Here's what I mean by that. When I came in today, I saw them, I was excited to see them, but it didn't have the same excitement or panache or connectivity because it didn't have the timeliness. The timeliness of it being before the holidays creates that connection. So for you and your organization, we always talk about making an emotional connection with your customers, but it has to be timely as well. For example, in January, there have been some huge bad tragedies happening with the fires over in California. The timeliness now of your business getting involved and doing something to help people out in California, that creates an emotional connection, and it's timely. Wouldn't make as much sense to do that 6 months from now as it would today. So as you're trying to make those emotional connections with your customers, do them like the holiday decorations on your main street or in your business, but make sure it's timely as well. That's how you go above and beyond your competition. Thanks for watching here from Main Street USA. We'll see you next time on Pete's Points.